I often get asked how you fold your suit and your shirt if you're packing for travel. So today I'm going to show you again, I've done it before, but I'm going to do it again. I'm going to show you how to fold your suit and shirt for packing. So starting off with your shirt, my preferred method for the shirt is button the shirt up the front and leave the top button unfastened. Then lay it on its front, smooth it out to reduce wrinkling, and then we're going to create a line from the collar down to the base and just fold it over like that. And then down, fold it down, the sleeve down towards the base of the shirt, and do the same on the other side. Fold it in, flop the sleeve over so you get a nice straight line down the side, and then fold the sleeve back like that. If you've got French cuffs like this, you might want to give those a fold up on their own, just so you're not crushing the cuff, and then you fold the shirt up into thirds. A third and a third again. And that's your shirt folded for packing. It minimises crushing, the collar, it minimises crushing the cuffs, and keeps the front as flat as possible. So that's your shirt. Next, your trousers. Trousers are nice and simple, and again, it's all about minimising crushing. So take the ankles and the creases front and back and line them up. Then grab the top of one of the creases and follow it all the way down to the end of the trousers. Lay them flat on the table, and then all we're going to do is fold them into thirds. Again, a third and a third. If you happen to have a very large suitcase, then just fold it in half. Again, it's all about minimizing creases. So trousers, nice and easy. Waistcoat, even easier, I have to say. Leave it unfastened, start with the shoulders, match the shoulders point to point, so it's in a half, and then simply fold it over your hand. Really is nothing more to it than that. Then the jacket, put your hands into the shoulders of the jacket and then clap them together inside the jacket. You put your hands together like that and fold one shoulder over the other. So you're revealing the lining on that side. Now, allow it to flop down. Make sure the collar's still popped up. And again, just one fold over the arm like that. Now the beauty of that is it's putting the outside of the suit onto the inside, so that it's not going to get scuffed or rubbing against shoes or anything else, any toiletries or creams or anything. The outside's protected. If you do get any dirt on the inside, it's not the end of the world. You're not going to see it. But that is your suit and your shirt folded, ready for packing for travel. If there's anything else you'd like to see folded for your convenience for travel, packing or storage, please let me know and I'll do my best to accommodate you. Anyway, till next time, take care. I'll see you very soon.